When you look at that, the market's on fire right now. We're hitting all-time highs, diving headfirst into earnings season. The S&P 500 is breaking records. And of course, we can't forget about how AI is changing the way we make sense of it all. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's break down why this earnings season has investors like you so energized.
You can think of earnings season like companies getting their report cards. It's when we finally get to peek behind the curtain, see how these companies are really performing, and naturally, those results, they have a direct impact on stock prices, which is why you see so much potential for, well, let's be honest, big wins and those nail-biting moments.
You're telling me. Now, remember how we did a deep dive on MicroStrategy MSTR last week?
MSTR soaring high, hit a new all-time high of $212.99.
Yeah, and if you were with us for our last live stream, you'll remember Michael Edward, our trading guru from True Trading Group, actually predicted that surge.
Called it. Spot on. And what's really interesting here is how MicroStrategy's performance is tied to Bitcoin, which they've gone all in on.
They've definitely put their money where their mouth is on crypto.
Exactly. And this is where things get really interesting. With the election coming up, investors are paying close attention to the candidates' stances on crypto. Their policies, you see, could really shake things up in the Bitcoin market, which then could make waves for MSTR.
Like a domino effect.
Yeah.
So even things that seem completely unrelated can impact your investments. This is why staying informed is so crucial.
But hold on, something's not adding up here. The market's soaring, but didn't we just get that CPI report, the one that showed inflation is a bit higher than everyone expected?
We did, but here's the thing. Smart investors, they don't panic at every headline. It's about looking at the bigger picture. Think of it this way. You wouldn't make your whole investment strategy based on a single day's stock movement.
That would be like making a life-changing decision based on a tweet. Not exactly a recipe for success. Exactly. It's about understanding the trends, not getting caught up in the noise. Savvy investors, they're considering things like how the Federal Reserve's response to inflation plays into those long-term market movements.
So strategy is key. But so are the right tools and, dare I say, a supportive community to help us navigate this roller coaster.
Couldn't agree more. Just ask Buttercup, a member of True Trading Group. Not only did they weather the storm, and I mean that literally, they were hit by those recent hurricanes, but they rode the market waves to some pretty impressive gains. See, having access to real-time data, expert analysis, and that network of support, it can be a game changer, especially in volatile times like earnings season.
Wow, that's what I call resilience. Proves you can handle anything the market throws at you with the right knowledge and support. Speaking of which, you mentioned something earlier about True Trading Group having a new AI assistant. It sounds like something straight out of sci-fi.
It might sound futuristic, but it's very real. True Trading Group is leading the way with AI in trading. They have this new assistant, Mari. And trust me, this isn't just some chatbot. This is next-level stuff.
Okay, color me intrigued. What makes Mari so different? Can she predict the next GameStop?
Well, I can't promise you a crystal ball. Let's be real. No one can predict the market perfectly. But what Mari can do is provide really impressive analysis of the market, give you those personalized trading insights, and offer real-time support to True Trading Group members. Yeah.
And this is just a glimpse into what AI like Mari can do. It's no wonder True Trading Group got nominated for the Best AI Analysis Tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. They're really pushing the boundaries in finance. It's like having all the pieces falling right into place, the insights, the analysis, and then boom, you're ready to make your move, all without leaving your favorite platform.
Exactly. It makes everything so much smoother, going from analysis to action in just a couple of clicks. Mari's right there in your trading platform, giving you those insights when you need them most.
Now that's what I call taking the guesswork out of investing. Instead of jumping between screens trying to figure it all out, you've got Mari right there whispering, hey, remember that TTG triangle we talked about? Well, guess what I just found?
Like having a secret weapon and a co-pilot, all in one. And the best part is, this isn't some far-off fantasy. It's here right now, ready to help investors like you step up their game.
This is really what it means to make finance accessible to everyone. It's not about who has the most exclusive information anymore. It's about who knows how to use technology and make smart decisions.
You said it. It's about shifting that balance of power, giving everyday investors the tools they need to navigate the markets confidently to reach their financial goals.
This has been an amazing deep dive. I'm honestly blown away by what AI like Mari can do for how we invest. It's like we're at the very beginning of something huge.
We are, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. As AI keeps getting smarter, the possibilities for investors are going to be limitless.
It's a great time to be in the market, that's for sure. But before we wrap up, any parting words of wisdom for our listeners as they start exploring the world of AI-powered investing?
Remember, knowledge is power, and don't be afraid to try out new tools and strategies. And keep learning, because just like AI, the market never stands still. But most importantly, remember that you're the one in control. AI can offer incredible insights, but ultimately your decisions, your gut feeling, and your understanding of your own financial goals will determine your success.
Well said. So to sum it all up, stay curious, stay informed, and never underestimate what you're capable of. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive. Happy investing, everyone.